What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to a trade execution video. So this is a voiceover as I was unable to film my voice during the execution, and you'll see that I was buying pound just before we had, I believe it was PMI at 10 AM today on Tuesday. The big orange box that you see is delineating a 5-minute fair value gap. You can see we traded into that. We also had news at 9:45. Now at 9:45 you can see we there was like a long wick into that fair value gap, traded down into some old highs, and you can see our price is just kind of consolidated in that range until we have the 10 AM time when the actual high impact news occurs. Now, although the actual entry was a fair value gap, you'll find a purple line where price is consolidating around, and that is the Asian range high. Price had only just taken out that Asian range high, and you can see how we came down, found support on it with the expectation to go higher, which is why I was comfortable going long. And if you've been watching my videos, you'll know that the Asian range can be divided into levels, and yeah, you can see how price is finding support on the high of it to use that to then springboard higher during the news release. So here is that 10 AM news, and you can see we instantly trade aggressively higher, running towards that weekly consequent encroachment that you'll see is dashed in red just above where price is at. And here you'll see that I moved my stop loss right to break even as soon as we saw that the expansion. And here's me attempting to close out half my position, but you can see that although I put the order through, it didn't execute until later. So here you'll see the order finally went through, and because we had reached my weekly consequent encroachment, I was happy to close out my full position. So you'll see me now do that after dropping down to the 1 minute. And that's where I closed my position. Still a delay. I believe there was probably issues to do with spread. But that's everything, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to drop a comment below and smash that subscribe button. Catch you in the next one. Peace.